Let's do this.
Oh my god.
Let's go, my boy.
Do you want to grab the right, Joe? Sure.
Me and Joe, we're going south. We're going to Virginia.
The deep south.
The deep south. Hike the Triple Crown, West Virginia. No, Virginia. Which is a 9.5 hour drive. Which will start right now. Ready for that?
No.
So, if nothing happens, then the next video will be in Virginia. All right, we're in Virginia. About to do the hike. Just packing up, settling our packs, and we're gonna hit the trail. A little cold right now. You know, it's supposed to get cold tonight, but thank you, Joe. But steaks tonight, hopefully, right?
Huh?
Steaks tonight?
Yeah, hopefully.
Steaks.
If Sean can start a fire.
All right, when Sean starts a fire. Just made it to the shelter.
Ouch.
It's late. We'll put 8. What is it? 8 something?
What? Oh,
8:14. All right.
8:14.
If we can get enough wood, just a little fire.
Yeah.
All right.
That hurts.
I'm trying not to stab you in the back with my knife. We got a steak in the barbie.
You think can we lower the grate a little bit?
Okay, so steak number 1, success. It is delicious. And steak number 2,
In progress.
in progress. Joe steak. Steak number 2, done.
Perfect success. Like literally perfect.
Yeah, this is a really good steak. I don't know how we did it, but we did it.
Oh, also I burned my hand. Look forward to that in the morning.
All right, just woke up from a cold night, to be honest. A little bit chilly, but nothing that was, you know, too cold to survive. And we had extra layers we could have put on, but didn't. So that was good. We managed to make our steaks last night, which was amazing. So today, we're gonna hike a mile to McPhee Knob, and then continue onwards from there. It's a nice sunny day, as you'll see, which is good. A little bit of wind, which is not good, but we're gonna get packed up here and head out as quick as we can. Get some warmth moving through us. That's the plan. All right, we made it to Tinker Cliffs. Wait, that's wrong. We made it to McPhee's Knob, which is, for the best view, right here. That's it. That's pretty cool.
I'm taking one.
You take one? What? A shelf? Look. Whoa. That's cool. All right. Lunch stop for the day. Bit of wind going by, but it's pretty good. We just met some nice people who informed us that there's a wind chill advisory until Wednesday. So that's gonna have to factor into our hike. Oh, look at
like an actual knife.
regular knife. I don't know. I probably. It's that yeah. So we decided to make the executive decision to turn back now that we got to Tinker's Cliffs, which are pretty cool. Great views and panoramas. But with the variety of factors, wind chill being the primary, there's wind chill warning in effect until Wednesday, which means we're gonna head back today to a shelter that we passed today, and then we'll hike back to the parking lot that we started at the following day. So by doing that, we'll cut off a day from the loop, but we'll add more time for us to go explore other things in the area. That's the plan. That's where we're at right now. We have about 3 hours of light left until we 3.5 hours of light left, and it's about 2 hours back to the shelter, probably 2.5. So we're doing good on time. That's the plan.
Can I hike through here? Yeah. Wait, is this the right way?
Nope.
Oh, well, I'm going anyway.
All right.
Wait, it goes up, doesn't it?
Uh-huh. Hike's going good.
Good.
You know? I'm tired though. You
Yeah.
tired?
Just a little bit.
Uh-huh.
That's my freaking knees.
A little bit of leaves. A little bit. Well, it's
Oh, here comes the wind.
jeez.
Get this snake down.
Nope.
Thanks.
But we are sitting on the fly that keeps it tethered.
Oh, okay.
I have that against, like, kind of tied in through the thing. It might fly out, who knows.
What fly out?
This thing,
That?
yeah, might come out undone. So, we cooked dinner, got in the shelter, and we're bundled up, ready for the night. Wind is intense. So if you do that, though, it pulls the whole thing over, though.
Oh, okay.
So, hopefully we make it through the night. You know, hopefully everything goes
Oh, I have my headlamp on still.
swimmingly. But yeah, that's the plan. It's just go to bed. Go to bed. That's the plan. We're packing up after another cold night. There's even some snow on the ground that we got. But we're doing good. And we'll make it back to the trailhead noonish, a little afternoon probably.
Hello.
New change. Swapping out layers. Repping. Swapping layers. Almost back to the car. Well, hour and a half back to the car. Give or take. Be back soon. I don't think we would have done it. All right, we've made it back to, well, in sight of the road, less than 100 feet from the car.
So you could say that we've made it. We made it. And there is the road.
Just got to the food shop. Lunch. This is a big burrito. And it's delicious.
Yes. All of those things I agree with.
Joe cannot wait for this. Wow. You ready for that?
Yeah.
Right, haven't done an update in a while, but basically, after the burritos yesterday, we saw a movie, Battle Angel.
Oh, yeah.
Battle Angel. And then we went to this brewery place.
Sean's favorite.
Brewery barbecue place. Had some great burgers there. And then we stayed in Airbnb. And now we're off to mountain bike. Woo. Now the next day's passed. Joe's favorite. And that's basically the plan for the day. Then we're gonna head back. Another long day of driving, but we'll get there.
Yeah.
Imagine.
Yeah, a little late at night, but
Hopefully in 1 week. Yeah, a little bit late. We'll see. All right, it's mountain biking. All right, we got our bikes.
Hello.
Currently on the way to the oh, it's windy.
Woo!
to the hill we're gonna be mountain biking on. I'll have some fun times. Yeah.
I'm ready.
Yeah, but my Allen head isn't long enough for one of these bullets.
To this view. Joe says it's the best view so far.
Probably. I like it a lot. Maybe it's the method that we got up here that's better.
Bikes as compared to legs. Made it to the very top with the star.
Hello. And we're also on camera up there, so that's cool.
Yeah. Sick. This is our view. Not bad.
That's pretty neat.
How neat is that?
It's pretty neat.
There's a light.
Hello.
We made it back. It's
1:42.
1:42 in the morning.
Yay.
We just finished our 9.5-hour drive.
I'm very tired.
Nice job, Joe.
Thank you.
Alright. We went to barbecue place.
Yeah. And drove a lot. And ate McDonald's.
And ate McDonald's
Again.
twice. Alright, it's time to go to bed. Done.
Peace.